Trials and tribulations come once in a while, once in a while. It may ruffle your spirit, but you don't let it get you down. Don't let it get you down. Remember, Jah got a plan for you, so don't you give up. 'Cause we know we shall win, 'cause we are confident in the victory of good over evil. In a crucial time like this, strengthen up yourself, put on your belt of armor. In a situation, use wisdom, and Jah will make you stronger.